Alright, we just woke up in Kobe, Kansas, and we are already kind of running a little bit behind, so we're gonna load up and hit the road. See that? That's torque right there. I have to look on the interwebs, but I'm pretty sure that thing has more horsepower and torque than this. 99 horsepower, 68 foot-pounds of torque. Your bike weighs 482 pounds when fully filled and road ready. Look at all this new concrete. Oh, they got white pumps. Do they pump harder? Do they pump? They got white pumps. I don't know. With 10% ethanol. Yeah, this thing has 110 horsepower and 85 foot-pounds of torque. 85. You had 68.
Yeah, you want less.
Yeah. This bike is 498 pure gas. 500-pound bike. We'll just have to cruise at a faster pace.
Except with the wind.
Yeah.
It's like something literally pushing.
Yeah, it shoves you.
Like
when you pass semis and you come around the front side of them, and it's like a blast of wind.
It's not all the time.
Yeah.
It's sometimes the wind hits you.
Yeah.
And then you lean into it.
They have a Georgia license plate.
I can't remember any. That is them.
It is. They must have cleaned it, or it must have got rained on, because it had dirt all over it the last time I seen it. I do. Damn, look at this setup. Sleep with her anywhere.
Is it formatted?
Yeah. On the road again. Just can't wait to get back on the road again.
We will be in Columbia, Missouri by this evening. Pit stop in Kansas City. A little break.
Look at this tractor with tracks. That's the coolest freaking tractor.
You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When every day life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. it's about time. Oh, sing your highline on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your time.
Jesus Christ. Wow, this is like the oldest Casey's in the country. I wonder if your bike senses if the fuel cap is open or not. Because you have to have it turned off for you to open the fuel cap, right?
Yeah.
So I wonder if it senses if it's open. It's interesting that you have to have it off to, like, completely off. The dash off and everything.
I'll probably have 20,000 miles.
Crazy. That's half the mileage of this. 42,000.
What?
Half the miles of this.
Not that way.
Yeah, we're going straight out this road right here.
Oh, that way?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Damn, that's a jump. They're building a high school. At least that's what it looks like. Both lanes are stopped now. I'm over. Yeah. Kansas City. Are we in Missouri? I guess we should find a spot to park now, like right there. Do it in front of his van. I think so. Oh, there's a spot right there by that Nissan. Right in front of that Nissan.
I want to park here.
Why?
Why not?
Because it's right here.
Oh,
Yeah. Back that thing up.
Ugh. I guess it's the second brewery. This was kind of supposed to be the first brewery though, because the one in Hayes we were just supposed to get a cup, but now we're gonna enjoy a beverage from Olive. I thought he did too.
Got another one coming. Alright. And we gotta go left again. Mine just beeped and said low battery. Yeah, 70 goes to 71. And then the Bengals Stadium and Red Stadium is right off 71. And it's 71 all the way up, 71 all the way up to New York. It might turn to 75. Oh. Yeah, we're supposed to turn right there. We'll have to turn at this next light, right? Damn, look at all the cops cars. Might be the police station. I don't know, I'm not looking, I'm watching for...
I know, I looked up, it made me look at something.
Oh. That's a big building with a little church next to it. Yeah, that's probably like the original church for Kansas City. You eating beef jerky?